Namaste. This is Dr. Joby George, Senior Ayurveda Consultant at Ishka Healthcare, HSR Layout, Bangalore. Today I am talking to you on preconception care in the Ayurvedic methods. It means that preparing the body for pregnancy. Well, you may wonder, what is the necessity of preparation before pregnancy? Because of our wrong lifestyles and stressful life, it is important that we bring our body back to normal so that the body is ready for pregnancy, for delivery, and for a healthy baby. This preconception care is mentioned not just for one partner but for both the partners, and also not for just the single first pregnancy but for all pregnancies that you plan. There are many medical conditions like thyroid, PCOD, low sperm count, and others that should be corrected before you can plan your pregnancy. In infertility cases also, Ayurveda gives better solution than modern medicines. Research studies also show how promising and how safe Ayurveda is. The things that you should follow during this preconception care time: you should change your lifestyle, change your diet, exercise more, do more of yoga asanas, take lot of oil baths, and for all these details, it is always better that you consult with your doctor and get the correct medication and the correct opinion. The detox treatments in form of Panchakarma is also very important to cleanse the body and to prepare your body for a healthy fertility. I'll share some tips with you that help in conception. 1. Avoid any seedless fruits and vegetables, because the fruits and vegetables that do not bear seed, how can it bear seed in us? 2. Try to avoid keeping mobile phones in the pant pocket. What happens is the radiation can directly affect the genital organs. 3. Regularize your sleep pattern. It is important that the body gets its total rest so that there is normal flow of hormones. Also, avoid sleeping during the daytime. If you have shift that is in the night, try to make it into the general shift so that body comes to its normal balance. If you have taken any vaccinations or undergone any surgeries, X-ray, CT scan, just wait for at least 1 month or till your body comes back to normal so that you can plan for your pregnancy. If you had any miscarriages or any stillborns, please do wait for 3 to 4 months. If the female is above 30 years, you are in a risk. So it is always better that you consult with your gynecologist and then plan the pregnancy. Try to avoid the usage of plastics and microwave, as these interfere with the hormones. Charting the female ovulation is also important. From the first day of periods, calculate the 8th day to the 18th day. Depending upon your cycle, the fertility period is considered as 8th to the 18th. So knowing your ovulation time and having coitus around that time guarantees pregnancy. Some of you may have lot of doubts and queries, and still some of you may be shy to speak to your elders and friends. So always you can consult with your gynecologist and take the right opinion. Also, if you want to consult with me, you can come over to our clinic here at Ishka Healthcare, HSR Layout, Bangalore. To know more about our home care packages, log on to our website www.ishkaayurveda.com. For preconception care, we give authentic Ayurvedic treatments, yoga therapies, and naturopathy treatments. Do visit our clinic. We follow all COVID-19 protocols. So happy planning, safe pregnancy and safe delivery. Thank you.